Buongiorno Palermo, buongiorno Sicilia. Wow, man. Finally happy to be around nature. It's so different from Rome. And of course the language here is going to be different, but wow. Look at these mountains. I guess they call it Monte. Yeah, man. I am happy. I'm happy to be here. Yeah. It is going to be about an hour-long bus ride or so to my destination in downtown Palermo. This airport here is actually not part of Palermo, from what I understand. It's outside of Palermo. It's about an hour-long bus ride. So we're off to the airport on this bus. We landed on the runway, and yeah, I'm excited. Woo, woo! I might try to get somebody pregnant out here and get dual citizenship or something. Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna ride the bus. Whoa. It's surprisingly cloudy. It's not brutally hot like it has been in Rome. The time is 1:18. We left really late. There were some delays with the baggage handling and whatever, but overall it's cool. I was getting a little restless because, you know, just the first leg of my flight to get here to Italy was such a pain in the ass. But so far it's been okay. I mean, mind you, I still have to get to my hostel, but yeah, I'm excited. I have to use the washroom really bad, and then find directions to get to Palermo. Wow. You know, there are a lot of places to discover in Italy. I could have gone to the north, I could have gone to the east, I could have gone to many other places. I chose Sicily because it's definitely off the beaten path. It's not as well known, it's not as traveled. People don't come out here as much as other places like Venice or Florence, you know, areas you know, like Naples and Tuscany and all that. Those are heavily traveled areas, and there are times when I just like to explore areas that people don't normally go to. So I've done a bit of research, and there's also a whole lot more nature out here to explore in Sicily, in the island of Sicily. Obviously Mount Etna and things like that. I want to do some hiking. I don't know how well I can hike with these brutal blisters on my feet, but I'll give it a try. I did want to kayak, but all the kayaking here is in the ocean, and I don't feel comfortable ocean kayaking. But oh, okay, here's our stop. I believe our stop is coming right up. Welcome to Palermo International Airport. And here we are. All right.